Xingye from YoRipe, and I'm with Amber from Vegan Canoe. So today we're going to show you a very simple way to make guilt-free Santa cookies, which is dairy-free, no added sugar, and gluten-free.
We have about 1.5 cups of pecans. Pecans, when used for baking, can most of the times easily replace grains if you're looking for grain-free recipes. Then we have some dates to sweeten the cookies naturally. This is about 1 cup of dates. I've used the softer version so that it's easier to blend. Then we have the LVL cacao powder, which is really rich. These are the cookies. They turned out pretty good.
Yes.
How did you like them?
Super yummy. Like, it's crispy, and you taste like the sweetness doesn't come out immediately, but it's inside as you bite them. So yeah, I love them, and wish you a very Merry Christmas, a gift-free one on behalf of Vegan Canoe, YoRipe, and also Level, Rohit, who is behind the camera all the time. Yay! So happy holidays, wish you a very lovely family time.
Bye.
Bye.